going to share my screen in just 1 second. So our spelling list this week all have they make like a double O sound or a Y-O-O sound, but they're not spelled that way. So we have glue, flute. Nolan, you need to be looking at the screen, sir. Thank you. Glue, flute, youth, accuse, brew, stew, choose, lose. No, that's loose, then lose. See, that's going to trick us up. Mrs. Kneifel just messed up. 8 is loose, like my loose shoe. And then 9 is lose, like you lose the game, okay? View, confuse, cruise, jewel, execute, route, cartoon, avenue, spruce, assume, and computer. So that's a lot. Any questions on those 20 words? If not, Landon, I am going to absolutely lose it in about 5 seconds. But were you on it right then, like Nolan is and like Kylan is? No, you weren't. So just stay where you need to be. It is not that hard to listen to me. It really is not, okay? The challenge words we're going to go over, then we're going to go over our homework. Our homework, we're doing one thing different than we've done in the past. But Mrs. Kneifel has a feeling that lots of us just aren't really practicing our spelling words throughout the week, which makes me sad. So this week you actually have some homework for it. Last week you didn't have spelling homework. This week you do. So sorry, I just unshared my screen when I didn't mean to. But we're going to get back to the challenge word. So all of you in class right now, go to the challenge word list instead of the regular list. So if you are in class with me, go to the challenge word list. There's 4 words. For some reason, I wish there was 5 words. I don't know if that bothers you, but for some, I just feel like there needs to be 5, but there's only 4, so sorry about our luck. Dun. If it ever loads, I'll show you. Okay, here we go. Our challenge words are, I'm just going to read them instead of sharing my screen because it's going to take a minute. Include, souvenir, which people always have a hard time spelling that, barbecue, and unsuited. Those are our 4 challenge words. And now we're going to go over our homework, okay? So I'm going to screen share my homework so you guys can read it. First off, those of you in class, if you are an in-class learner, you're going to turn this in person. If you're an at-home learner, you're going to take pictures and send it to me by Thursday morning, okay? So there are 2 assignments that you're going to do. Both of the assignments must be completed by Thursday at 7:45 a.m. So that means by 7:45, I got to have it in my inbox. Or if you're an at-school learner, you're turning it in when you're walking in the door. So the first one, you're just going to write each word, including the challenge words, 3 times. Not hard, right? All you're doing is writing it 3 times. That's repetition. The second thing we haven't done before, all of you that are in here right now, I'm now reading the directions to our homework, so that's where we should probably be, okay? So all of you go to the directions of the homework, because lots of you are still on the list, and that's not very helpful. Go to the homework directions. The second thing, you're going to write each word, all consonants 1 color, and all vowels another color. So you need 2 colors. Oh, I spelled 2 wrong. I'll fix that. To complete the assignment. So here's Mrs. Kneifel's 2 colors, and I'm going to show you an example. If I wrote the word cat, this is obviously not one of your words, it would look like this. C-A-T. My consonants, which are not vowels, are C and T, so those are black. And then my vowel is A, so I made it red. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay? Does everyone remember that? A, E, I, O, U? Those are our vowels. So all your words, consonants are 1 color, vowels are another color, and only use 2 colors. Please don't switch these 2 colors on this word, then these 2 colors on this word, then these 2 colors on this word, because that'll be really hard to grade for Mrs. Kneifel because there'll be so many colors. So just choose 2 colors, 1 color for consonants, 1 color for vowels. And each one of those words just has to be written 1 time. And then each word, the challenge words included, has to be written 3 times. So you're going to write each word a total of 4 times by Thursday. So you have today, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it is due Thursday morning. Are there any questions from anyone in class or anyone at home of the spelling homework this week? If there's not questions on the spelling homework for this week, you guys may go ahead and get started. This should be your last live of the day. Mark, question?
Where is the spelling list then? So we know where we are.
It's on Google Classroom Homeroom, and it says September 21st through 25th. Then it says like spelling list module 2 week 1, and there's 2 PDFs, and you can just click right on them.
Okay, I need to reload my screen then because I didn't get them. Okay.
Yeah, they're probably there. Make sure you're in homeroom though, okay? If you don't have any questions, you guys can log off. If you're in class with me right now, I have paper if you don't have any at your desk in my tall cabinet, and you may get started on your spelling. That is what we are doing for the rest of the afternoon, is spelling or reading for AR. It's your choice. If I were you, I would do spelling, but whatevs. Bye, guys. This will be posted soon. Zach, can you please show Michelle with the papers?
Bro.
What?
Nothing.
Bye.